Does PS Audio still make power cords? This question comes from Richard in Waukesha, Wisconsin. Hi, Paul. As a viewer of your YouTube segments, thank you, sir, I noted recently in a display for tweaks, I believe, that you were using Audioquest Dragons for your power cords. Is this to say that you no longer manufacture your own cords? Well, the simple answer is no. We still manufacture our own cords, but how do I put this? This system is very critical to us. So let's take here. I'm going to walk back here, and you can see these are the Dragons. Okay, these are expensive Audioquest cables, and the whole system is littered with them. And this is our reference system, right? Now, I put in this system whatever sounds the best. That's what's important in here, because not only is this system something where people from all over the world come to listen, to enjoy, to find out what high-end audio is all about, because you don't get a chance. You can't go to a dealer and hear this system. You can't go to anybody's home. I mean, there's very few of these systems in the world. And this system is very special to us and to our visitors and our guests, right? All the products, when we manufacture or design something, they all come here and they get evaluated. So I gotta have the best, right? Our power amps, our power plants, they are the best. I mean, look, we bring competitive products in here all the time, and I got to tell you, this stuff just kicks ass on all of it that we've ever tried. But our power cables, which were the best I had ever heard, in here we had all, well, first it was the statements, then the AC-12s, and we put every ounce of engineering knowledge we had into those cables. And they were here for the longest time. Then our buddy Isaac, who is a close personal friend of my son Scott's and myself, and our buddy Bill Lowe, who owns Audioquest, they, you know, are always, well, why don't you try one of these? Why don't you try one of those? Yeah. So he brought it by and he said, let's just do a single test. Let's just take one power cable and we put it on that one. So this power plant here, this P20 power plant, powers both of the 300s. This is a BHK 300 here for the right channel and a BHK 300 for the left channel. And this P20 powers both of them. So we took our standard AC-12, which is the best cable we have ever made, not cheap. I think it's like $1,000 or something. And Isaac brought over this Dragon, and you can see it's a braided cable. And it ain't cheap at all. I mean, it's thousands. I don't know how much I don't even remember how much it cost. And we did a swap. I swooned. It was like, holy crap. We put it back on. The sound, it was so obvious. This cable is, and I'm not saying Dragons are the best in the world. What I can tell you is that in this system, and curated for this system, that Dragon power cable just blew away our AC-12. Just blew it away. I wish that wasn't true. I wish we could tell you that, you know, our power cables are better. They're not. No, not compared to this. And that led to just wiping everything out and replacing everything with Audioquest. Every person that walks in this room, whether I tell them what's going on or not, in a blind A/B test, hear this, now hear that. Hear this, now hear that. Which one do you like better? Is there a difference? Oh my God, there isn't a person in here that doesn't hear the difference. And I know there's people like, oh, it's a power cable, can't possibly. Yeah, okay. You get your ass over here and you sit down in that chair and let me do it for you. And you'll know, you'll understand, and then you will believe. Then you can use all your engineer. Look, I'm an engineer. It drives me crazy. I hate this stuff because I like it when it makes sense, but it doesn't. So, I mean, to the point now where I'm going to start selling Audioquest cables on our website. I mean, what we did is we curated them. We took a whole bunch of Audioquest cables, went through the whole lot, and said, with the Perfect Wave products, these are great. With the Stellar, these are great. And you can buy them from us, you can buy them from anybody you want. We'll tell you what we think, in a curated sense, makes the most sense with our products. Because I got to tell you, they are spectacular. I wish I could say we had engineered them, but we didn't. So yes, we still make our cables. We still offer them. They're still great, but there's some greater stuff out there. And regardless of how you get it, I'm going to recommend some of these things for you, and we'll talk more about that later. All right. Thanks for the question. I'll talk to you later. Bye.